Lathe tools work their metal cutting wizardry by harnessing the power of angles. The cutting angle is paramount. It dictates the tool's aggressiveness. Picture it like a knife. The sharper the angle, the more fiercely it bites into the metal. Conversely, a wider or more obtuse angle creates a smoother, more refined finish on the material being worked. But it's not just about the cutting angle. There are other pivotal players in this dance of precision machining. Two critical angles are the rake angle and the clearance angle. The rake angle refers to the angle formed between the cutting edge and a perpendicular line to the workpiece surface. It's a game changer for efficient chip removal. Think of it as the angle that helps the chips smoothly evacuate the seam, preventing them from clogging up the work area. Meanwhile, the clearance angle is the angle formed by the flank of the cutting tool and the surface that it rests on. This angle is essential to prevent the tool from rubbing against the workpiece, ensuring a clean, precise cut without unnecessary friction. Material choice is another ace up the sleeve of efficient lathe operations. Enter carbide tool steer, the tough guys of the tool world. These tools boast exceptional durability and heat resistance compared to their high-speed steel counterparts. Their ability to withstand high temperatures and maintain their edge makes them champions in the realm of demanding machining tasks. Imagine working with tough materials like stainless steel or titanium carbide tools. Become the heroes in these scenarios, handling the heat and pressure with finesse. Their resilience and toughness make them the go-to choice for heavy-duty machining, where high-speed steel tools might falter. Practical application of these principles varies widely across industries. In aerospace, where precision is paramount and materials are often challenging to work with, understanding and applying these tool angles and material properties can mean the difference between a flawless part and a costly mistake. In automotive manufacturing, efficiency and speed are key, and the choice of tools and angles can significantly impact production rates without compromising quality. In essence, the magic of lathe tools lies not just in their physical form, but in the mastery of angles, materials, and their application of blend of science and craftsmanship that shapes the very foundation of precision metal work.